It's the weekend again, it's Saturday, and we're back. Hello, Frank. Yeah, no Mike this weekend. Sorry, or not sorry, whoever. Just going back simple old school for the moment. I use an iPhone. I find it very simple to sort of stick all the videos together and stuff. But yes, I do. I know there is some problems with the sound, but then there isn't. But anyway, let's get to back to the focus of what we're trying to do is actually trying to build a Impreza powered Metro 6R4 lookalike type replica type offspring black sheep of the family type thing. I had a slight issue this morning with the washing machine. Well, I had an issue with the washing machine for the last 4 days as the wife's been away. Told me to unload it. Tried to unload it, door locked, wouldn't come on. I thought, what am I doing? Turn it on and off for 4 days. Then she finally got back. I said, look, I can't open the door. She couldn't do it either. So obviously I broke it. So yeah, we tried to fix it today. So it seems to be fixed. I used a tie bar and a big hammer, and we managed to get the door open and smashed a few bits off. Seems to be working again. Doing a few test runs at the moment for anyone that's interested. But I don't know if I'm the only person where you like sort of before you put all the washing machine back together, you go, "Can you test it, dear? Can we try it?" And yeah, so it's just sitting there half undone. All right, I was going to work on the body kit today. I still might, but it's damn cold and windy outside, so it might be a bit tricky with the noise. And yeah, if I find something inside to do, I might do that instead. Chicken fajitas for tea tonight. Got all the bits: peppers, onions. Wife has avocado. But yeah, that's what we're having for tea tonight. Been eating a bit too much junk food. Had this week off, doing things with my daughter, and things like that. So yeah, let's get on and show you some bits. You can hear the wind already. I did post a picture of these during the week. We 3D printed up, me and the daughter, 3D printed up some bungs with special holes in them which will allow me to fit the Metro Rover squirters into. Yes, people have mentioned that you can get these on other cars. Why didn't I just find one of them? Well, it was something to do with the daughter. I drew it up, she printed it, we tested it and made it back. It gave us something to do. We had nothing else to do during the days, so yeah, that's what we did. I think they're going to work. Hopefully you can get sort of angle them up, because maybe they're not supposed to be so close. But I do know you have a little bit of adjustment on these little tiny little metal nozzles. But until we finish off the dashboard, we can't put the windscreen in, and we can't do the windscreen, then we can't get, you know, blah, 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 blah. It all keeps on going. What's going on outside? Cars all pulling up, God knows what. Okie dokie, what I was originally doing was putting roof nuts in the bodywork, and then some sort of flat stainless bolts up through the fiberglass and maybe some metal washers or whatever. But once I came to do the duct on this side, on the other side, I noticed on this side as well that it's quite actually tricky getting up there, because the duct's in the way, and then when you've got the heel board on, you've got the heel board on underneath as well. So one thing I was doing is a bit like the old school, the classic mini wheel arches where they had studs on. Might not do studs all the way along, but definitely for around this area, we'll try it. We'll weld a bit of metal to this. That can go up inside there, and we'll fiberglass it in, and then yeah, and then we'll just get a nut from the inside. So we'll attempt to do that. I really don't have much room. I wanted to get the car out, but it's effing freezing already, and I'm in the garage with the door open. If I'm out there in the breeze, I need to sort out my phone. Constantly goes flat, being in the cold weather. So yeah, there we go. We just made a little plate up, put a couple of extra holes in it because I thought when we fiberglass it will help. Maybe I should have done something a little bit better. But yeah, so that'll go on the back there. Trying to do it one-handed and pick out like a stud, like that. That's the idea anyway. What we'll do is just put a bit of duct tape on it for the moment and just prove a point, and then see if it goes on and see if it works, and I can get to it and stuff. Might have to do the same for that one down there. I tried tape, didn't work obviously, so I just used my glue gun. I didn't think about that. Quite quick drying, put a couple of blobs on there. We can then obviously chip it off if we don't want it on there, and then we can always fiberglass over the top. Let's give it a go. Some adjustment is needed. I didn't really check my airbox going in, so it's just catching on the flange here. It just needs to go back 1/2 centimetre or so. Angle grinder. Okay, in principle that worked. Maybe the stud could have done with being a bit longer. Oh, sorry, making you wobble. There we go. Yeah, but in principle that works. I can get to it at the back there, no problem. 10mm socket. Once I found my 10mm socket, then they have disappear sometimes. So yeah, that's looking okay. As you can see, yeah, the rear track isn't really technically wide enough still. Yeah, it's fine for what we need to do. But yeah, oh, it's nice to get a bit of a wheel arch back on there again. It's been a while since we've actually made it look like a car. Or a 6R4, I should say. Oh, it's nippy. We need to get a new, bigger unit in the new year. That's on the Christmas list. Need a little bit of warming up. I'm okay to do that, aren't I? Nothing wrong with that. I can't see anything wrong. It's perfectly safe as a heater mechanism. Okie dokie. Yeah, we've done another 2. Glued them on for the moment. Put loads of glue on that, so we'll just see how that goes. In the end, it doesn't matter. Once it's clamped onto the car, it stays there. It just needs something to keep it there. So, and yeah, let's try it on and see how it goes. Oh, yeah, that worked really well. That did. Yeah, studs all just fell through. Easy to get some nuts on the back of them. Got one down there on the inside, one in there, one in the middle. Still might have to do a bolt at the back, just because I've sort of got a double skin there at the back there, where the fuel filler cap is, and the same on the other side. But maybe I can do something about that. But that's not too bad, because you can get up in the wheel arch there. It's not a problem. It's these ones down the front here, and then when you've got the sides skirts on as well, you just can't get them. But yeah, I'm pleased with that. So what I'm trying to do is get these sorted, the studs sorted, so we know we can mount it. We'll take them off. We can then prep them and just smack some green on them, because that's what colour we're going for. Also, still need to sort out the rubber strip. I've got some people that aren't far from me. I need to go down there. I've got a quote from them to make a load. I just need to supply them the profile and confirm that up. So we just need to get down, get off our arse and go do that. And yeah, that's looking good. Looking good. Alrighty, we bought the side skirt in. Just use some normal bolts at the moment. I've got some very flush ones to go on there anyway, just to miss the door. It's quite close on some of the bits. So yeah, so this normally, I should have taken it off. So on top, move nuts, screws down, no problem. On the underside, normally they go horizontally, screw into the sort of the sill. Not too sure if we can do that or not. So I'm thinking of maybe putting some tabs on the underside. Hang on. Under the underside, to do the same underneath basically. And I don't think we can do much through the vent there, sort of bolt through down, because one, I can't get to it now because obviously the side scoop, metal side scoop's in the way. I can't get in from underneath because obviously it's double thickness obviously. Down the front here, I think I might be able to put some sort of stud on the inside here and then bolt through and with a nut this side to close that all up, and that'll be all good and make that solid. But then it has 2 little plug holes anyway, so I think it'd be just nicer just to put it all together. And yeah, as you can tell, yes, I need a tidy up, but it's tight in here. Tight. Alright, wrapping up for the evening. We'll go inside and warm up. Found some draft extruder strip. I thought it was going to be loads, actually. It was to go around a sink for the daughter's flat, but we lost it. Bought some more. Then I found it. I thought that would be ideal for the ducting, sealing up all around the radiator. But then I've just realised it'll work, but I just don't think I've got enough of it. So to go around a sink, it's mostly not enough straight bits. But it will do to start with, that's for sure. Alright, we're going to go. Thanks for all the support, as always. Please click the like button, subscribe if you don't, and check out the description if you want to help me in any way. Thank you for the stickers that one of the patrons sent the other day, Bob, I think. I do apologise. Sent me some stickers that he'd printed up. And I must post the stickers out. Somebody ordered some stickers, and some bogey stickers, and I need to send them out as well. I do apologise to you as well. I am absolutely lazy sometimes when it comes to things like that. That's why I don't sell much. Alright, everyone have a good evening. If I can do an extra video tomorrow or the next few days, I will. Otherwise, yeah, we'll catch you in the on next week.